First step, how you can use phone number and email extractor email word. As you can see, this particular scraper can find you full name of a person, can find you the person email, can find you the person number, and can find you the person's LinkedIn URL. This I open right now. You can open the people LinkedIn URL. As you can see here, this guy here, you can see him, and the people I'm targeting, you can see here, retail and consumers goods. Based on this URL I open here, this guy, LinkedIn, you can see, is into retailer business. Okay, so mean that is accurate lead. You can see his working phone number. You can see the lead location here. Then you can see the title in the company. So there's a lot of data that you can collect here. I can scroll right side, and you can even see company size. How many people would work for the company? There's a lot of things. Company phone number is also included here. There's a lot. Company revenue is here, so you can see how much the company is doing. There's a lot of things here. You can see what we have here is if they have Twitter, their Twitter URLs is also included. So how do you search? To start searching, all you have to do is click this industry search at the top here, and it's going to see list of the industries. Let's say that you are targeting data and market research professionals. If you want to reach out to them, or if you want to script their lead, then just select it. And you can see how fast this is. We have find the lead. Now, after finding lead like this, you may ask, how can you continue extracting lead more and more and more, not only stuck in this page, extracting the same people, the same target lead. You know what you do? Click extract button here, select button here, click select all 200 that you already extracted. Then you can download. The moment you download this by clicking download, now you have to choose the kind of data you want to include on this. I want full name, I want email, I want phone number, I want LinkedIn URL, but I don't want company LinkedIn URL. But if you want, include it. If you want work phone number, include it or exclude. If you want lead location, make sure you include it on here. Then you can go ahead and uncheck any column that you don't want on your email. But if all this will make sense so that you can be able to track the lead to make sure you write message that will speak to these people direct, then I can go ahead and click download my CSV file. As you can see, we have downloaded the lead, and the system automatically going to find us another batch of 200 fresh lead. Each time we download, the system kick off and dive in and scrape you fresh lead, not the one you have already extracted or have seen. So it keep extracting new lead each time you download. This one here is new. If I download it, let me download it again, select all. So just mark this one is a 7. You can see this guy names here. The first one, you can see him here, serving. Then if I download, just go ahead and click. I'm going to click download. Then you're going to see the email is going to start kick off and script new fresh lead again. And you can see here, do you see this? Is a fresh lead. Don't mix up. So now that we are done, okay, what if you want to script lead 200 people lead like this and send them message instantly? Can you do that? The answer is yes. You can always click select again, but this time instead of you to download, then you choose to campaign. Okay, instead of you to download, you choose campaign. Campaign mean you can compose message and send message to these 200 people on email word direct as email word pro. All you have to do is click campaign to the 200 people. Can see my message here. I have only one working SNTP on my email sender server. If you go to email sender, you're going to learn how to use email sender and also how to connect this SNTP on email sender server. So you can see my subject line. You can see the kind of message I compose. You can see my message. This is just for demo purpose. Okay. You can see my reply to where I want people to respond me. I can always click test this message. If you click test. Mean a piece of this message is going to send to your email inbox. Like if you open any email that you use to create email word account, the message should be here. You can see the message just come here new and is inbox. If you open it, you're going to see there is the same message I composed, but it has tag this test tag because it's a test, and this here is supposed to call me by name, but because it's a test, then it only show you the name column. Let's go back to email word. This point you can go ahead and click send campaign. So what is going to happen is that the system is going to start sending these 200 people message one after another. Each time the message is sent, then it this will be counting how many have sent, how many have failed, and how many have sent in general. So after you start streaming the messages, you can always cancel and script next 200 and then stream your message again. So it's just much easy, and I love that I put this video together for you so that you cannot be able to be calling me every time or chasing me to teach you how to use it. From now on, every page on email will suppose have video like this to teach you how to use the application. So if you like this video, just say yes in comment section, or just share this video to your friends, or share the page to your friend. They can always watch this video before they start. Thank you.